Hi, this is Paul from Sound Mobiles, and today we're having a look at a little tool that I've bought for $12.99, which is going to make my life and Stacey's life a little bit easier. So this is a portable wireless audio receiver. So basically what it is I will show you. This is what you get in the box. This is your receiver, and then you get a USB to a micro USB cable there, like so. And you get a jack to jack, like so. You also get a small, like, jack to jack, so it's just like a pin, like that. So it's very small. And also you get an instruction manual, like so. Okay, so basically what this is a Bluetooth receiver. And the idea is, in Stacey's Mini, she's only got a jack. So we're going to turn it into Bluetooth. Reason why is because when we went to Denmark, we was trying to obviously put songs on the radio, and we didn't have an audio cable. Sorry, we had an audio cable, but we didn't have an adapter for Stacey's iPhone 10 at the time, or iPhone 7 Plus, whichever one it was. So yeah, we couldn't do nothing there. And I went into a couple of shops and tried to buy a dongle thing, and none of them had a genuine one. So I was doing it off my Samsung, which we didn't really want to do because we wanted to play Stacey's Apple Music, which was on her phone. So hence why we got one of these, and I thought this is a cool idea. So that's going to be the smartest little thing, because it's going to plug in, which I will show you in a minute, and I'll show you how to see it work and everything. So right, what I'm going to do now is show you how easy it is to pair up. So this is my iPhone 10, so we're going to go settings, and now you press and hold this button here till it starts flashing like that, and you'll see it comes up. It says it's saying, well, it was saying headset. It's now saying, if I can zoom in, there you go. So we just click that, and then we're going to pair to it, and that's connected, and that's done. So then basically I'm going to jump into the car now, plug this in like that, and boom, I'm going to show you how good this is and why it makes life a lot easier when you've got an iPhone without a headphone jack and your car hasn't got Bluetooth. Right then, so the Bluetooth device is all connected. We're going to plug it into the auxiliary. So it's plugged in. That's how it would sit in my Mini, or Stacey's Mini I should say. Rightio, so basically there you go, you can see it's on aux. And if we go onto my phone and go to royalty free music, there you go. The only trouble is you have to obviously change tracks on your phone, but it's very, very good. It's the quality of it. So I'm going to turn that up, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move away from the car with my phone and see how good it actually is. Right, zoom out. I'm going to turn it up. See? Did you hear it? See, that is probably about, at this precise moment, probably about, I don't know, 4 meters. My phone's here, so that's obviously 4 meters. Go back any further. Sorry about the lorry. It's still playing, but it's starting to cut out now. It's not bad, but you're not going to be this far away from the car, are you? So, right, not too bad. So it's now playing the next tune. But it is good quality. I'll let you listen to it. You're probably not going to be able to hear the greatest quality on this. serious note, just turn this around. You're not going to be able to see me very well. Oh no, there you go. Yeah, serious note. I am very, very impressed with it for the money. $12.99 that was, and obviously it's very, very good quality. The transfer from the Bluetooth to that, and obviously we pull that out. You can connect this to other devices as well. So if, for instance, if you wanted Bluetooth headphones, you could plug a normal set of 3.5 headphone jack headphones into it and make them Bluetooth. Reasons for doing that would probably be, I honestly don't know. If you didn't want to wire to your phone, yeah, that would be the only sort of reason why you'd want to do that. But yeah, I am super impressed with it. Yeah, it is very good. Obviously, it's got its own built-in battery. You get the charger with it as well. It's the micro USB, as I showed you earlier. So yeah, I'm impressed with it anyway. And obviously, I like that little jack to jack that you get with it, so it makes it nice and neat into it. I have got that I can't think what I'm going to say now. I know what I'm going to say. I've got that luxury of having a USB right next to it, so I can charge this at the same time as obviously being plugged in to the audio as well. But yeah, it's got volume buttons on the side, and yeah, I think it's very good for that. So if you have got just an audio jack instead of having Bluetooth in your car, then that's going to be your trick to do it, to have Bluetooth in it. And this car has got Bluetooth, but it's only Bluetooth for the hands-free kit. So I think quite a few cars are still like that. Why, I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. The link to that is below if you want to go and grab yourself one of them. I don't know, I've not checked out, but this is the one that I got from Amazon. So yeah, and obviously this one seems to be quite good. So happy days there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, sub buttons down below, and I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye.